Shakespeare had a sister, she'd have lived a life of pain. Women had to look their best and sit quietly unchained. Creativity was silenced like a flower torn apart. Shakespeare had a sister, she had a broken heart. You remind me of a story, how you choose each crafted word. You're clever and you're twisted, it's a shame you're seldom heard. Your poetry shines like diamonds, every observation's true. Shakespeare had a sister, be like you. Big questions a philosopher set free. You wonder if it's worth it all to be and not to be. Oh, you fear the green-eyed monster that invades your private dreams. You wait to see the mystery, the things are never as they seem. A comedy of errors has left you in this world. The men you've loved have closed your doors. You've remained a little girl, but you still see through the darkness, and you dance in solitude. Shakespeare had a sister, I know she'd be like you. Your dreams, they shine like diamonds, and your genius is overdue. Shakespeare had a sister, I know she'd be like you. Shakespeare had a sister, I know she'd be like you. Shakespeare had a sister, Shakespeare had a sister, yeah. I know she'd be like you. Thank you very much. One of my songs.